Pressure Cleaning Las Vegas specializes in residential and commercial pressure cleaning. We utilize hot and cold water applications depending on what the job requirements are. Pressure cleaning is as much in demand service here in the Las Vegas Valley, with a town that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, than most other cities in the United States. The reason for that is there's more spills and abuse to the concrete and asphalt and the stone surfaces than most folks can even possibly imagine. If you'd like a free estimate on all of your pressure cleaning Las Vegas needs, contact our office at 702-546-9888 or visit our website at www.powerwashinglasvegas.net.